Sarah, your house looks amazing.
Oh.
What's different?
Thanks, Kate. We installed window film a few weekends back. It was fast, easy, and we love the way it looks.
Window film? What's that?
Well, it's just what it sounds like. It's this plastic film that we put on the inside of our windows. It helps control the heat from the sun, reduces glare, and prevent fading. It even helps with daytime privacy.
Oh, so like my car window tint.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't notice anything on your windows when I drove up.
I know, right? We bought a kit from Concord Window Film. Their ceramic technology gives it a more natural look. I mean, it looks great from inside and out and doesn't fade.
That's awesome. Yeah, it does look great.
Oh, thanks. You want to see how it looks in the living room?
Yeah, I'd love to.
All right, come on. Well, what do you think?
It's so comfortable in here.
I know. I couldn't even sit in here on a hot day, and we haven't upgraded the windows. But the ComforTech film reduces the amount of heat that comes in through the windows. And would you believe I don't even have the air conditioning on? We've already noticed a difference in our electric bill.
And you're also reducing your carbon footprint. Sarah, that's awesome.
Bob even installed it in his home office. He couldn't see his computer monitor because of the glare, but ComforTech totally solved that problem.
What about fading? Mark just put in new wood floors, and I'm worried about them fading with all the sun that we get.
The film also blocks 99% of UV rays, so it protects your floors, your furniture, and even you.
I think I need to get this. How much did it cost to install?
I installed it. Let me tell you though, we tried another DIY film. It was awful. So thin and it stuck to itself. Complete waste of money. Then we found Concord Window Film. The pros use it too. Their ComforTech Ceramic Series film is twice as thick as the other brands. It has a dry adhesive that activates with water. It's so much easier to handle. And Concord offers pre-cut kits that fit most window styles and sizes. They have easy to understand directions and videos that show you every step of the process. I was confident about the install before I even opened the box.
But how did you know which shade to choose?
Concord Windows website has a product simulator, so you can see how all 5 shades will look in your room. I also ordered a sample kit so I could look at them all and choose which one I liked best.
So how do I get this stuff?
Just go to windowfilm.com. It's fast. Mark can even start this project next weekend.
You know, Mark. I think I'll do this one myself.